Hello, welcome back. On this video, we shall talk about normalization by normal one. No typing allowed for repeated data. Let's open up the resource folder and Excel sample. Then move ahead to normalize one. On here, you can find that there is Oliver Queen, arrow, Mr. Oliver and Mr. Queen like this. From this data, you can see that all Oliver is the same persons, but depend on user on how they will type in at free will. So if we just let it be like this, then how can we make any summarization out of it? Since all Oliver is totally different, unlike this Elena that you can see all in the same format, and by this kind of data we can make summarization out of it and no misleading can happen. Then if this is the case, what shall we do? To avoid this kind of error, what we shall do is going to make drop down for it and not allow user to type at their free will. Let's see the sample by back to resource folder and open up this sample access database and open sales table. On here you can see that the customer ABC have some little difference between each other, like this one have no comma and this one have no dot at the end of limited, while this one have two space and this one just ABC only. So if we let user key at their own view, this kind of mistake is unavoidable, since it is normal mistake that we actually see every day. We cannot force each user to have the same idea of what should be key in. Such the case, to make it standard, we better make drop down for them. In this case, if they want to key anything at will, it will come out to be like this. Stefan. Access won't accept it because Stefan is not on the list. However, if user want to add up Stefan to the list, what shall they do? What they have to do is just coming to this customer table or cust.tbl and open it up. Then add up Stefan here with down arrow for updated like this. Then code it, coming to here and put the cursors on where they want to fill in. Then press F9 to refresh the list, and here it is, Stefan. Now you can just type in. So the benefit of drop down, one is to guarantee the standard data input, and the second is key in time saver, as we just type ABC and Access will fill in the rest for us like this. Just type only B. And next is one page correction. If we want to change ABC company limited name to another or correct it, then just open up the customer TBL and change this one to ABC company like this. Close this customer table. You can see that all records, no matter how many of them, will be collected automatically. Next benefit is this kind of standard data is fit for summarization by pivot table. And the last one, by doing this drop down, we will get some promotion of relationship. Maybe I can close this one and pick up address from customer table by using of query. Let's switch back this sales header query to the size view, and here is the data from sales header table. Now I'm gonna take this customer table to place beside this sales header table, and coming to this join link, right click on it, then assign the join property by taking this sales header as our main interest by choose this first option of included all records from sales header table and only those records from customer TBL where the join fields are equal, then click OK. Once links already been set up like this, we are free to select whatever field we want from this related customer table. In this case, I will take this C address and C contact. Now switch back to datasheet view to see the outcome. And here it is. We got C address and C contact from customer TBL out of the related field of customer. And this is the last benefit from creating drop-down list for user to fill in the repeated data instead of just let them type at view, which may cause many consecutive errors, as I told you from the beginning. And that's all for this lecture. See you then.